with control, Rotem control, yes? These ropes are in fact an idea. They are the idea of a chicken house. Because in a chicken house there are many systems. And these systems can work, each one, like there is watering system and heating systems. Yes? Everything might work well within itself. But if you really want power, if you really want things to work well for you, then everything has to work together, like one, right? Everything has to be one, right? That's the idea. No, okay. But maybe you will feel that I touch you. I don't know if it happens. Don't say anything. But maybe you felt that I touched you? Really? Okay. Can you show me where? Okay, wait. Keep your eyes closed, keep your eyes closed. Don't say anything, just remember, don't say anything, just remember in your mind when I touch you. You felt that I tickled you somewhere? Yes, where? Okay. Always red for red, blue for blue, and yellow for yellow. And it doesn't matter which order you go in, always green for green, blue for blue, yellow for yellow, right? Okay, always that's the way it goes. Of course, maybe you think there is a trick, because, you know, it looks impossible. But really, this is a spray paint, you know? See? This is spray painted. So, all I need to do is to put the blue on the blue, the yellow on the yellow, the green on the green, and the red on the red, and still the green turns the green on, the red for the red, the blue for the blue. Four cards. Okay, but don't look. Which one of you? You! I am going to control your mind. Okay? You will choose something you think freely, but it will be my influence on you. Okay? So, you can touch any card you want. But, are you, okay, which one? This one? Are you sure you want this one? Maybe I made you choose it? You want to choose a different one? Whatever you want. This one, for sure. Okay. And it's impossible that I influence you, but, you see, I put here 4 cards before we started, and these 4 cards tell me exactly what your card is. The first one tells me the color of your card, okay? The color. If your card was red, this card would be red, okay? So the first card is a black card, so your card was black, right? Okay. And the second card tells me if your card was spades or clubs. And I think your card is clubs, right? Okay. And the third card tells me if your card was a number card or a picture card. And if this is a number card, that's your card is a number card, right? And the last, why am I doing card tricks for you? I'm supposed to talk to you about Rotem controllers. And these controllers are very green technology, you know? They save the planet's ecology, right? And they are control and management. That's the way to manage and control your chicken house. Of course, we are very innovative, because if you will see the screens, you will touch them, and you will be amazed that we make them very easy to use, and we invent special technologies to make it easy for you. And the last card tells you that we really care. We do all that because we really